I guide you to create group chat polls on Instagram. So let's see that how. You can open your Instagram and go to the chats. You can find any of the chat where you can need to create that poll. So you can go to the chat and you can tap on the sticker icon over there. You can see that. If you tap on that, here you can search for poll. Sorry. If you tap on plus, here you can find the poll option. So if you tap there, it will ask you for the question like, how's your day today? And option, great. Second option, better, not interested. So here you can tap to create poll. This is your how you can create polls on group chat. Thank you.